Move back. What's up, guys? I don't know if y'all can see me or what, but I am about to make my kids the grinder salad sandwich real quick. My way. My way. I don't know what we might need this for, but
this will go out one in the morning.
I don't know what we might need this for. Come bring this camera over.
What?
Head over this way. You know, light back here.
Where?
Everybody needs to stand on this side. Bring it over here. Yeah. Yeah. There's more light over there. Who's getting trash up now? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in the middle of doing hair and I'm in the middle of trying to feed my kids. Chance, I need knives. Chance, you better drop my phone. Okay, first thing first, give me the turkey out the refrigerator. Chance, carry it back like it's just glare.
She said, chance.
It don't matter. It don't matter. I'm over it. Give me some more turkey. Y'all go sit down. Huh?
Mommy, when you fix the
You did what?
when you fix the juice, can you put the juice
stopped
in
what?
my I stopped.
Go get it.
Mommy, when you fix the juice, can you put the juice in my cup?
Okay. So I got bread, tomatoes. Chance, I need knives. Turkey. Okay. I need you to get up and come get it. So the first thing I seen the lady do, I got lettuce, I got bacon. Wash them. Chance me to get up and wash them off.
This one clean.
It's clean. Okay. I need 2 more.
I can't find my phone.
Your phone in the room. Or on the couch.
So, and then
Okay, this good. This good.
Okay.
Thank you. So the first thing I seen the lady do is I seen her, man, I don't know if her lady was thicker than mine was, but that lady was crunchy. I'm doing it how she did it because it looked very easy. For real though, it looked easy. It looked easy and it didn't look complicated. And if you see me make a meal, let me put the water. Change come fit washing these little bowls and stuff out. So she had like she had when we got some sliced ham and turkey. But for me, it's a lot of us. And I want to taste it in every bite. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know, the police on the way. We had some drama going on with this little boy still trying to fight my child. I'm sick of him. So we finna get this settled once and for all. Ain't nothing but some jealousy, you know. I love my children. I think they mamas love them, but a lot of these kids want time with their parents, and their parents not offering it, and so they pick on other folks' children that get that type of love. I don't eat ham, but I'm gonna eat it today because, and I hate to put the police involved, but when you got a child who, what's that? Keep picking about nothing. Literally, the beef. If you find out, if you talk to kids and find out why they don't like another child, it really be picking. I had my son cook bacon. It's a little toasty. It's a little toasty. We putting that in there. God made dirt won't hurt you. You might let it work. Amen. Keep trying like they ain't never air to flow before. It's between you and God, baby. It burn. Too salt. I don't like no salt bake. Now, for the provolone, I probably should put the bacon in. Can y'all see? I'm tired. I'm gonna have on an apron this time, y'all. Okay, we're gonna put this cheese back up. That's all that. This should be more. Shane, right? Come sweep that little pile up. Shane, come wash these little dishes out. What I'm looking for? Oh, the sharp shelf. One thing we're gonna do in this house is gonna utilize everything. Maybe when I say I'm gonna cook groceries down, I'm gonna cook the groceries down. Now, because I don't really eat mayo, I'll eat ham before I eat mayo. So I'm not gonna put it in the grinder. Reagan, what's that? Huh? You need to take that pan right on back upstairs. Now this pan ain't big enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse this out. Come on with me. Man, I told you to get up now. You keep on head, go on ahead. Gotta get some meat chopped out of it. As long as we got the grease out of there, the other little spots they burn. Yeah, we called the police an hour ago. They ain't came yet. Let's see this inside out. Okay, let's do this inside out. Flip this inside out. Because this ain't going to be big enough. Let's see. Because I think I got a cutting board, but this ain't going to be right. Y'all see me? Let's just try to cut it up. Oh, I ain't put the red onion. I ain't put the tomatoes. Hold on, y'all. move. Chance. Nuh-uh. I done called you 15 times. Where is my... Where my cutting board is? No, it's not. I don't...
Oh no, it's up there in that thing.
What? Here.
Yeah. Hey man.
Okay. You can't put them with.
I didn't do that.
Take that down. You can't do that.
I didn't do it.
It don't matter. So red onion.
Oh, what is this?
This is stuff. It's like some. I don't know.
Italian.
Yeah, but let me hurry up and put these.
This still in here.
Hey, they'll be here. They gonna come. It's Georgia. They got 1,000 crime going on. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna rest it. I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna cut a lot of this. She had red onion. So I'm just gonna put a little. Because the kids don't really like onion like this. So I'm gonna go and chop that up. I'm gonna just let it. Please excuse my house if you watching. These are most meals I've seen on TikTok that I'm gonna be making. Okay, I'm gonna use the green. So I done cut up everything so far. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess, but I'm gonna just. Man, that lady had a good night. This a good night too, but I want the night she had. She had tomatoes and she had pepper and stuff on her tomato, but I do that too. I know. Yeah, I see. Somebody said what you call it yesterday. One thing about a black household, they gonna always have their kitchen light on. I know it's a little messy, y'all. Don't judge me. I know y'all can't. Y'all live it so clean. But these right here seem like it bigger than the pan. So we got to mix it up now. Then I seen her mix it up. to mix it up. I didn't cut mine as good, man. That knife, like I said, whatever knife that lady had, she need to recommend it. I seen this on social media last night, and I ain't had no business watching it. Because at first I thought she was making a salad. I don't have mosquito. Baby, down here in Georgia, you better not leave no door open. Let's go and use some more of these tomatoes because, yeah. My son don't really like tomatoes like that. Let's see if I can get some more turkey. Turkey in there. This could get a little sloppy, y'all. Let me see. I ain't got that much light in here. My ring light. Okay. That might be a little bit better for y'all. Go ahead and throw that over there in the sink. Out the way. Chance, come on, rinse the plates out right quick. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Chance, come on.
Are you trying to eat crab? Trying to eat crab? No.
Man, this still good. Make sure y'all get that. I don't know which one she had.
This sounds good. I'm about to use a bowl.
Rinse the plates out. Here go the plates right here. Here goes two.
Well then, okay, so
Here go two.
2, 3. Okay.
We need 5 and 9. So you want to top this off?
That's good. That feels good.
It does. Let me put a little on this.
Man, I just bet they can't eat. I bet you that.
It don't matter how long they come. Cause I'm tired of it, boy. I ain't never been, you know, I thought I was tired of what's calling them, but ooh, Lord.
Who?
I ain't gotta say no name because I'm recording.
Oh, yeah. Come on, I know you can.
Dead boy right there. And it's sad. You shouldn't have to fight.
You can get somebody to leave on.
Yeah. And he definitely picking. It's him. He trolling. He the real life troll. You went back to school with them new shoes on, and I'm telling you, that triggered him. But let me tell you something about that situation that happened with you. That ain't had nothing to do with you. That had something to do with everything to do with the people and what they did wrong. That made them look like. Remember I was talking about them. That wasn't nothing to say. And I'm gonna make sure I put that in the report tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Cause we gotta tell the school too. Cause this man harassing us at home and he just harassing us. Then if you hurt him.
Yeah, what you call it? When he harassed me at school, but he harassed me at school.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, like I said, at least they was smart enough to do it at home.
Mm-hmm.
He just don't got no smart shit.
That man crazy. He want to be.
He just ruthless and dumb.
He's silly. He didn't want to apologize, boy, because he know you finna get on his butt. Get on, thing. Get on. Get. Man, these flags. Let me hear you. I don't know what that is, but I don't want to hear y'all in my videos on something. She got it. So, baby, I don't even know what that is. Baby, let's eat this tomato too. We have some left over. Shan, come wash the plates, baby.
I did.
Bring them. I need them laid out so I can put the sandwiches.
Okay.
Y'all get to see it raw. I know people be trying to make it seem like they so clean, they so clean. Oh, I don't get nothing on the thing. Let me just go up here. Chance, come on, so I can lay this stuff down. Dang. We're talking to him like talking to a brick wall.
I use a bowl.
No, I'm plating this stuff so I can take pictures. And here we go. Before we get started. But I just really wanted them to taste meat. So, you and Jay want mayonnaise. I believe this stuff right here got mayonnaise in it. Alright, man. Here we go, sit down. Let me find the pepper right there, y'all. Who said that? Okay, Raven want mayo on her bread. What about you, Johanna? What she say? Okay. This gonna be the first sandwich that I'm not gonna have to put it. Chad, what that pepper is? What?
The black pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When?
I said you needed it, but they was like, no.
What in the what is going on?
So that's why the pepper is gone. I was telling them to keep it, but
Okay, it's cool. Raven, come clean these plates out. Cause the Chance ain't did yourself nothing. Make sure the plate, okay. Cause I'm finna get ready and
wash it.
Okay. I just trying to watch it. I'm trying to.
It smells like Subway.
Only thing is.
Clean the bowl out.
Yeah, Chance said he gonna use the bowl. I think when you mix it up like this, so
Ooh, that look good.
okay, it look good, thank you. But you gonna turn the, so I'm gonna have to eat this stuff real bad. Okay, so let me rinse this out. So, first plate. Now, come on, clean up, throw this out. Throw all this away. Come on, clean up, throw all this away. Okay, you can have first plate, but I need you to wipe it up. So, I don't fool with mayonnaise. Y'all know that. So, we're going to, I'm going to do regular plate first. My hands nasty. And, Yum. Alright, so we got our first hoagie bun. Ooh, where my other knife fit? Okay. I'm gonna rinse this off real quick. Hold on, guys. This is the bun. Tell her I'm on my way. And so the bun is not cooked yet, so you gotta be careful when you cook it. You really could cook this raw. I used to work at Subway. Fun fact, I used to work at Subway a long time ago. I got like a quarter and a half for my client here to do. She said it was okay if I got up and did this. So I'm gonna get this like this. I don't know what this is for. But one thing you don't want is a lot of mayo. Just do it one more time. Get on there real good. Hey girl.
Hey.
So hand me a spoon out of there. Like one of them. Maybe like a spatula. So
I know y'all see it.
this is gonna be good. Uh-huh.
If it don't look like this, it ain't right, y'all.
So this is the first sandwich. And this is for Reagan.
Come on, Ray Ray.
Come on, Ray Ray, get your plate. Where your chips at? Got them all up? No. You want some barbecue chips? No. What you gonna eat? Okay, come on, put them on the plate so I can go ahead and plate them. Okay, Johanna's plate is next. Johanna, Mayo. Bring the taco over here so I can plate it real quick. Get that out the way. Yeah, no, that and then what you call it, too, yeah. This what a real house look like. I know people clean, I cook, and they have everything that's on point. But man, you a mama of 4. You want mayonnaise or huh? Okay. So I ain't gonna put much.
I bring it to them.
Show the camera.
Is mine coffee? So good. Can't wait.
Stir it up.
How long it take you to make it?
I've been in here about, you know, cause everything wasn't prepped, so. Calm down. Okay. You can bring them in. Johanna, what stuff you gonna eat with yours? Get your plate. Your plate. Where your cereal is. I mean, what you call it? He coming in? Okay.
What?
Girl, something I'm tired of. Been going on for too long. Put that water out, baby.
So were they chasing you or something?
The boy, my baby was outside. I'm waiting what's going on.
I'll listen when you tell me.
Okay.
Where's my juice?
Everybody all of a sudden like mayonnaise. I'm the only one that don't like it. But I'm telling you something. When you taste this stuff, this sauce on here,
Where's
It'll
the
taste like
juice?
enough. You don't
I
need
think it's,
anything.
I think it's enough on here.
Where's the juice? Where's the juice, Mom?
In the freeze, bro.
I want this. I want crush. This is the best drink. This cream soda is the best drink.
Huh?
I know.
Did you tell me he come in?
Yeah, he was like,
He right here.
Okay, he brought him in here. There you go, sir. I'm sorry. He said he can't. He said he can't come.
His nigga want to eat some carpenter.
Okay, here I come.
No, he right here. He coming.
He coming. Okay, he good. He good.
How you doing, man?
How you doing, sir?
Pretty well. What's going on there?
So I just want to make a police report because the young man from on the 3rd Street, I don't know what he stays on. Yeah, he keeps. We done called the school. He done been suspended and everything. He keeps trying to fight my child. So they was outside. You know, the boy comes around here all the time. He won't. He comes up to us like, you know, I'm in here doing here. You know, and I have to jump up to go check out the scene and see what's going on. He wants to fight. Now, I would let them fight. But I'm a minister, for one. For two, they call the HOS on me, I'm gone. I'm going to be rolled up. These people, when you in a community like this, I just came from living in a hotel. I can't get put out. I wouldn't have anywhere to go. I'm from Mississippi. We want to do a report and we want him to leave Chance alone. You cannot come to nobody's property. What if what if I would have protected myself the best way I know how? He's a child and he's about this time. I done went to his mama house before. I done talked to the brother. I done did everything that a mom could do, a neighborhood mom could do. So that, you know, it don't matter to all y'all like that. All y'all got men. Where you going? Get your chips and get over in my head. I'm nice to people.
The young man keep coming over here trying to fight against the child.
Yes. My son take medication. Whatever. He bought little cheering mix.
Well, you came over here today?
He came over here today. My son was out here in the street about to play football, and he said, I guess I don't know exactly what he said, but I know. Yeah, but all I know, I got me on the ring camera running outside trying to diffuse it, and the little boy, he really want to fight my baby so bad, but I think it's just jealousy. Yeah, that's him, sir.
He walked up the steps, so, and then he threw his phone in the grass.